demonstration of the telemetry simulator today. Over here, if I can direct your attention to our pedestal, this is our pedestal setup. It's kind of a Frankenstein contraption. It's got a controller behind there in yellow. Over here is the telemetry simulator part. This box here does all the processing. It generates AM signals which are sent through the back via coax cables into the antenna control unit. So it simulates what your feed antenna would generate. And in turn, the error from the AM error from the simulator shown here in our ACU software. And as the error increases, this little green dot's going to move, and the ACU is going to track that position. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to run a scenario where we change both the azimuth and elevation from 10 degrees to 80 degrees at 3 degrees per second. And then we'll go back. I'm going to hit start, and it's going to start moving the pedestal. You can see that both the target position and the position that are being read from in this case, the encoders. In other cases, in many cases, the customer is going to want to use inertial measurement units to understand where the dish is. So we're approaching 80 degrees. And now we're at 80 degrees and we're holding station. I'm going to switch scenarios. I'm going to go back from 80 degrees down to 10 degrees where we started from. Here you can see that the error is constantly changing in the screen, although now we just reached our target. Now we're at 1010. Another feature of the telemetry simulator software as it is now is that we can manually just change the target position, and you can see that it'll move the pedestal. Right now we're changing it in increments of 1 degree. The simulated beam width of the antenna that we're using is about 2 degrees, so I'm going to change the step size to 2 degrees, and then we'll see what happens. So you can see that the AM error jumps drastically, and then the pedestal moves to zero out the error. I can move it again. I can move it in elevation. We can go back to where we started, 10:10. Now we're at 10:10. Thank you for your attention.